Change. Such a difficult topic. Hello, my name's Greg Story. I'm the president of Dale Carnegie Training here in Japan, and I'm the author of the bestseller, Japan Sales Mastery. And I'm going to talk about change today. And when we talk about change, normally we're in favour of change. If those people would just change, things would be better around here. If this company would just change, it'd do a lot better. If my boss would change, he'd be a better boss. So everyone else should change, but we should stay dramatically the same, and everything would be good. The only problem with that is, as you think about it, if we keep doing the same things in the same way, we get the same results. But over time, we all want to push up into our careers and do better. So that means we need a higher skill set, a better skill set in which to be effective. How do you do that? Well, you've got to give up something you're doing and become better at something that you weren't good at before. So this is the issue. How do we do that? One of the things that interests me is, can we find a way to make the changes to make ourselves more effective? And normally we find trouble doing that. We play around at the edges, but we don't really get into it. We don't really push hard enough into it. And part of the reason for that is we resist change. Now, if we could find a way to embrace change and not be scared of change, and to see it as a motor, see it as a way to lift our careers, then things would be a lot better. Very difficult to do that on your own, though. You know, you can read magazines, that's okay, watch a couple of TED Talks. It doesn't tend to have much impact, though, on your psyche and on your mentality. Mindset, not easy to move. However, there is a program we have which is just excellent on this. When companies call on us and they say, look, we've got a bunch of middle managers here, we find they're a bit stuck in their ways, we really want them to be, growing and challenging and help the business to go forward, but we've got to change their mindset. Well, it's no good giving them more leadership training. Giving them more information is not the problem. They've got enough knowledge. Their difficulty is they don't want to use it. And this is the rub, basically. Having information is one thing, using it is another thing, and people are reluctant sometimes to make the changes to help them take that information and apply it. So the Dale Carnegie Course, Effective Communications, Human Relations, is very much an inside-out program. It's very unique because it really, lots of things are going on inside you, and it taps into those, finds your strengths, mobilizes them, and then helps you to push forward. Tremendous amount of coaching going on in this program to help you do that. Also a lot of exercises to help you come out of your comfort zone. April 4th, we're doing it in English. April 17th, we've got a 3-day version in Japanese. April 4th, an English 12-week program. April 17th, it's a 3-day program in Japanese. So where you've got Japanese colleagues, you want to do it in Japanese yourself, that's a program for you. Dale Carnegie Course, Effective Communications and Human Relations, it's called. Been going for a very long time, very much road tested. Many, many graduates here in Tokyo. And one of the most common feedback pieces I get from graduates is, this program changed my life. It actually didn't change their life. It changed how they thought about their life. It changed their mindset about what was possible for themselves, and it changed their motivation to go out there and make things happen. That's why it's so unique. So if you'd like to make things happen in your life, if you'd like to embrace changes for the better, to drive your career forward, the Dale Carnegie Course, Effective Communications, Human Relations, 4th of April in English, 12-week program. 17th of April, 3-day program in Japanese. You'll find the details at enjapan.dalecarnegie.com. Check it out there. And I think you'll find that if you want to really push forward, you've got to be able to embrace change. It's not easy to do, but this program does get results. Have a look at it.